Hey, this is Brian from Warner's Dock. It's October 6th. It's 61 degrees out. It's absolutely perfect for some fall fishing. John from Facebook, he had asked for a walkthrough on the competitor 205 Sport. We've got two of them. This is the 2019. It's equipped with an Evinrude 250 HO G2. Absolutely amazing motor. Pair it with this boat. Performance is unbelievable. John, we'll start the walkthrough now. We've got two storage areas up front. Got this one packed with some gear. I threw the cover and the trolling motor foot pedal in this one. Let's go around this way. Here is a massive dry storage. Front live well. Here's your storage for the rods. You can fit 8-footers in here. It's nice. I can fit my net in here as well. Your trolling motor batteries fit down underneath here. We've got this with a 36-volt kit, so there's three 12-volt trolling motor batteries underneath there. And then we have the onboard charger underneath here. So you don't have to take out all your rods to get to your trolling motor batteries, just plug that in. This one was optioned with the flip up bench seat. So when it's down, you've got a huge casting deck. You can put a fishing seat in that pedestal. Great big live well. Wish I could fill this up with a few huge walleye today. Bait bucket in there, and then just some other storage. We've got the cranking battery in there. Of course, my lunch is in there. Over on this side, you could put even more rods in here, or all your life jackets. It's got a nice size glove box, and of course, incredible dash. This one has the Simrad on here, so right now I've got it on the engine data, so you can see the engine hours, your fuel, your oil level, your speed if you want, which of course you'd also have on your depth finder. This is a 9-inch. There's room here for a 12-inch. We put a lot of 12 inches at the console. What I love about Alumacraft is they've got a master power switch. So at the end of the day, it doesn't matter which of these you've left on, you turn off the master power switch, everything's off. Down here you can fit 3 plano boxes. And I love these bow storage nets.